Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Chief of the Army Staff and Chief of Defence Forces, Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to be standing before you at the inauguration of Sky 47 today, where we are opening a door to a new economic era. An economic era where the best use of our existing resources can only be made, including oil, minerals, and even our human potential. There is only one more valuable underlying resource, and that is not data, that is inference. The ability to turn data into decisions, decisions into actions, and to make intelligence valuable. And ladies and gentlemen, the next race that we'll be seeing in artificial intelligence is going to be who can run this data efficiently, who can run intelligence securely and affordably. This is the strategic importance of the facility where we're standing today. This data center is a step in the right direction. It gives Pakistan much more than servers and storage. It gives us the foundation of an AI factory, that infrastructure capable of producing the most important economic unit today, the token intelligence. From healthcare to agriculture, for our economy, to financial services, to education, public administration, to national security, each and every single opportunity is going to be reliant on access to high-performance compute. According to McKinsey, the global demand for data center will treble by 2030. And according to Goldman Sachs, the requirement of power will go up by 160% by 2030. And this is where Pakistan's opportunity is extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, we're a young nation, we're a large nation, and we're a nation of stunning human capability. Our engineers, developers, researchers, entrepreneurs do not lack intelligence or ambition. What they lacked was infrastructure. And this infrastructure that we're standing today will provide them an opportunity to compound their ambition. Starting with infrastructure, where storage, compute, GPUs, HPCs in a center like this are available. We move on to model development with LLMs, GLMs, SLMs, to the orchestration layer, to the application layer, where our innovators can create magic, and then, most importantly, to marketplace, where data centers and cloud like Sky 47 can provide GPU as a service, compute as a service, security as a service, AI capability as a service. This is how Sky 47 today will ensure that the requirements, the national requirements, will be fulfilled in this day and age, keeping in mind the very valuable sovereignty. To ensure this, in the last 2 years, that is what the Honorable Prime Minister is personally leading under his Digital Nation Pakistan vision. We have gone through the world's largest 5G spectrum auction, building the digital public infrastructure, our right-of-way reforms for broadband access, doubling the undersea fiber capability, our AI skills initiatives, our network of AI startups supported by our national incubation centers around the country. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।